Today I'll be sort of doing a Chrome tutorial on how to always have the bookmarks menu bar enabled. It's actually very quick and easy using this shortcut. Hopefully you have the latest version of Google Chrome 80 something. So right now it's off, so when I do a search, it does this and the bookmarks disappear. So now if I want to enable it forever, I just have to do Ctrl Shift B. Pretty easy, right? Ctrl Shift and then B. And voila, it's always there. Now whenever I do searches, it's always there. The bookmarks bar is always there. And you can actually go here on the top right, click on the three dots, and go to bookmarks, and from there it has a shortcut where you can enable or disable it under show bookmarks bar. So that's the easy way. And it's also available in settings under, I think, appearance, and there's the show bookmarks bar under appearance. So I'll list this in the description. One of my coworkers wanted to have the bookmarks bar always enabled, and so I don't know, it's not very, I'm pretty sure most people can find bookmarks bar, so just doing it just because I can, making this video just because I can. I'm gonna flood YouTube with a bunch of unuseful Chrome shortcuts videos. Hope you enjoy. Have a good day.